Greetings, friends. In this video, we'll look at how to restore the classic context menu in Windows 11. The Windows 11 context menu has a new design, compared to previous versions of the operating system. As a result of these changes, the menu now has a limited number of options. Compared to, for example, the context menu in Windows 10. By default, right-clicking an empty space on the desktop opens a few basic menu items, including the most frequently used commands, such as View, Sort, Refresh, New, and so on. To access other functions, click Show Advanced Options. The same process occurs when opening the context menu of a desktop object, such as the user folder. When you open the menu, you'll also see a number of basic commands. But to launch the classic menu, you'll need to click Show Advanced Options. The most significant drawback of this solution is that users make unnecessary movements to complete the current operation, which wastes time. Therefore, we'll look at how to restore the old classic context menu using the Windows Registry Editor System tool. Open the Run dialog box using the Win key combination plus the Latin letter R. Switch to English and navigate to the Open dialog box. After a beep, the Registry Editor window will open. Now, we'll sequentially open the branches of the root HK current user key. Expand this key and go to the Software subkey. Next, find the Classes subkey. Then navigate to the Cells subkey. Right-click the CLSIT subkey header and choose the new command first, then the key, comma. The opening curly bracket is 86CA1A0 to 34. A-4E8 BA 509-50C 905B, and the closing curly bracket is AE2A2. Press Enter. Continue as before. In the Created section, we will create a new subsection, as in the previous case. Right-click on the title of the new section and sequentially select the commands Create. Then Section. Set the subsection name InProc Server 32. When entering this name, do not use spaces. In the last created subkey, double-click the default value and, without changing anything, click OK. Close the Registry Editor. Then, restart your computer or restart File Explorer for the new Registry Editor and Registry setting to take effect. After restarting the operating system, check the context menu appearance. Right-clicking an empty area of the desktop opens the classic context menu with all standard commands. Also opens in the classic view the context menu for the user folder. If you want to return to the Windows 11 context menu design, you should reopen the Registry Editor. Delete the previously created section, curly bracket 86CAA1AO, etc. And then restart your computer. This way, you can enable or disable the classic context menu in the Windows 11 operating system. Thank you for your attention.